In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab Screener. We'll walk through the process on the website or desktop platform so you can quickly narrow the stock market to a list that actually fits your strategy. Think of the screener as a smart filter. You tell it what you're looking for, and it shows you the matches. First, open the screener. Log into your Schwab account, then go to Research, choose Stocks, and select Stock Screener. This is your workspace for filtering by price, fundamentals, dividends, and technicals. If you ever feel lost, just retrace that path and you'll be back at the screener's home. Next, choose a starting point. You can use a pre-built screen or create your own. Pre-built screens are the easiest way to begin because they group stocks around common themes like top growth or high dividend. They're curated starting points that help you see how filters work without building from scratch. If you want full control, click New Screen to start clean. This option is great when you have a specific strategy in mind and want to tailor every setting. Now add filters. This is the core of the screener. Under Basic, you can set a price range like $10 to $100 and choose a market cap such as mid-cap. Fundamentals let you focus on metrics like price to earnings, revenue growth, and EPS growth. Dividends include yield and payout ratio if income is important to you. Under performance or technicals, you'll find options like volume, recent price change, and moving averages. Combine as many as you need to narrow the results. For example, you might use price between 10 and 100, market cap set to mid-cap, and require positive EPS growth. If the list is too long, tighten a filter. If it's empty, relax one. When your criteria look right, run the screen by clicking View Matches. You'll get a list of stocks that meet your filters, and you can refine further without starting over. Analyze your results by sorting columns like price, volume, or performance. Add or remove columns such as PE or dividend yield to focus on what matters to you. Click any stock to research deeper and check fundamentals, charts, and news before moving forward. If you want to compare ideas, select up to 5 stocks and click Compare. You'll see them side by side, which makes it easier to spot differences in valuation, growth, or income. Finally, save your screen. Click Save Screen, give it a name, and reuse it anytime without rebuilding. The bottom line, pick your criteria, run the scan, analyze the results, and save your setup so you can revisit it as markets change.